Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, good morning everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. First, let me make sure that we're recording. Yeah, we're recording. Okay. And we're looking at my home screen here on my tablet, and right under my beard, what we're going to be talking about is this little app here. It's a EZVIZ home security camera. I've got 3 of them. The reason I'm doing this video is this morning I got a comment. I went in my YouTube or my TubeBuddy app, and I saw a comment, and I replied to the guy because he was asking about it. So I just wanted to get this video out because I kind of promised him that I would do something. I was on my phone, and I didn't really like the quality of the video. This video is just on the fly. I'm not going to have all my usual animations in it. I just wanted to get this out for information for the guy that made the comment because he was asking about it. But let's get into this. And also, if you like these kind of videos, you know, for home security, any kind of technical or photo or video editing or whatever, be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and hit the you know, the little bell notification on your device. YouTube isn't sending out email notifications anymore, which is fine for me because my inbox is getting flooded. And actually, YouTube did me a favor by ending those email notifications because it saved me a ton of time. And then hit the subscribe or the like button. And sometimes I understand that sometimes the like button doesn't really work properly. So you got to kind of tap that little thumbs up a few times to get it working properly. Anyway, just need to get all that stuff out. Let's get into this little app. First of all, I want to show you the camera on Google here. Let's see. Let me scroll over here. Yeah. Okay. I want to show you the camera itself. And then we're going to go into my apps, and I'm going to show you some really cool features. Actually, and with the microphone. Now, when I activate the microphone, there's going to be reverb, and it's going to bounce back. My voice is going to be echoing and bounce, but I need to do that to show you how this thing works. That it's the voice activated. I almost pranked my landlord the other day, but I decided against it because he was out in the back painting and doing some stuff, and I've got one of my cameras in the back, and I wanted to say, "Hey, Brad," but I didn't. I thought, no, I better not. So I decided not to do that. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's go into Google here and talk about the camera here. Okay, I need to move my face here. Let's move my face here a little bit. Okay, we're looking at EZVIZ camera. They're not very expensive. I'm just going to tap on this one here from the Walmart. I think I got mine either at Best Buy. I might have got mine from Walmart. I can't remember, but anyway, let's just go into this here. Yeah, my tablet, this tablet kind of sucks. So, okay, I got to move my face again. All right, let's move this here. Okay. Well, there we go. Here's what the camera looks like. I will tap on these screens in a minute, but the EZVIZ, it's actually Lenovo, Lenovo, very reputable company. And I looked into their tablets, and their laptops and things like that. They can be kind of pricey because they're high end, they're pretty quality. And for these, I'm surprised that they're $24.95. Then with shipping, and it's between 30 and 40 by the time you pay for the whole thing. And I've got 3 of them. And anyway, here's the one view of it. Let me tap on this here. Again, there's the slot for the SD card. So you want to get the SD cards for each camera. And I also, for each camera, I've got their cloud service, which is $8 something a month for each camera. So I'm paying for that. So that's optional, but I would suggest it. Depending on what your needs are. But this is very good. Okay, let's look at the next thing. Oh, that's the there we go. And you can mount it. I just have it stand. I haven't mounted it, screwed it in or set it. But and then go back to this. Yeah, it's showing you the setup. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, it's got motion detecting and everything. Okay, so let's get out of this. Okay. All right. Make sure that I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. Good. Okay. Just got to make sure the internet and everything has been so crazy. So let me move my face again. Go back over here. And okay, now let's go into the app itself. Let me position myself here. I'm gonna have to move myself once I get in the camera. Okay, it's this. You go into the Google Play Store. You buy it, and then what you do is you install the app, then and you follow the instructions. It's the easiest setup. I've had others in the past where I've had people attack me, and the security system. It has a multiple security system. So if anybody tries to get into the camera, they can't, because you need you have the app, and it will explain this in the setup. But you basically have your basic setup and your password and that. And then each camera has its own individual unique code. So there's no way and this was developed after all the problems with Ring. So the dual authentication system. Sorry, I can't talk this morning, but I just want to get this out. This was pretty quick. It's awesome. The security, it's worth it to even get in. So these thugs and all these other people who are trying to do things, they really can't get into it. And the image quality is great, and we're going to go into that right now. Let's go in. So let me tap the app here. And okay, now let me turn my camera around here so we'll get right side up. And yeah, it's gonna probably, okay, there we are. It's gonna take a minute. I got 3 cameras here. All right, let me go over here. Oops, yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna tap on the top one here where I'm sitting, and you'll see me wave. So we're gonna go into that, and we're in the live view. Okay, and see, and it can hear me as I'm talking. Now what I'm going to hit this little microphone here. And well, actually I don't really need, but I am, and I can hit this little thing and hit record and save it to my device if I want. And then this little camera in the middle that takes a still picture. Now I'm going to do the voice activated, and you're going to actually hear the camera. So you're going to hear a reverb. But this only going to take a second. I was going to walk over to my other one, but okay. I'm doing the voiceover on this, and because what happened here is the little microphone area, I had accidentally, when I clicked on that, when I try to do this voiceover that you can see this little with the little blue circle, when I was doing that, it disabled the microphone on my tablet. So as I'm talking here, my microphone on my tablet was disabled. But anyway, these EZVIZ, they're a Lenovo product. They're very good. And what we're doing now, what we're looking at is we're looking at the 3 cameras. With that little square, that's me on my tablet there. The top camera is me in my chair. Then the middle camera's in the backyard. Then the bottom camera there. Now that we're looking at the one on the bottom there, the bottom view, I'm going to be using that. Actually, we went into that, and I tried to do a two-way voice thing, and it didn't work while I was running my tablet. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. What I'm going to be doing with that bottom camera, the floor level, is since I have a cat, I'm going to be doing some cat recordings. I got some really cool cat recordings of him at 4 in the morning. It goes into night mode, so it's all black and white, and it's kind of interesting because I can put some effects on his eyes. But when he's walking in the camera, they kind of look like, when you see his eyes are just like, they kind of look like alien eyes. And yeah, again, here we are back on the lower level, and I'm trying to remember what I was doing on that. Oh yeah, I was figuring out the audio, and again, I think I was going to hit the yeah, there we go. I hit the two-way. I hit the two-way audio thing with that blue device. That wouldn't work because I was trying to use my microphone on 2 different things, and naturally it shut the microphone off on my tablet. So you see my mouth going, but you don't see any, or you don't hear any audio. So that's kind of why I'm doing this. But these products are really good. As I explained in the first part of this video, that you know, they're relatively cheap. The quality is pretty darn good, and you know.